Hello everyone, my name is Abhinav and I'm pursuing my BTech Civil from Shulni University, Solan. Recently our university recommended us a 45 days industrial training, so I chose ThinkNEXT Technologies Private Limited for my AutoCAD and STAAD.PRO course. It was a wonderful experience there, and all the faculty members and especially ER Gagvin Babbar sir were very knowledgeable and had a interactive way of teaching. Furthermore, they provide various other courses like Revit, 3D Max, etc. in the field of civil engineering and various other engineering softwares. During the period of 45 days, I've learned immense number of things in AutoCAD and STAAD.PRO, which helped me improve my knowledge in the field of civil engineering. So, I would like to suggest you this course from ThinkNEXT Technologies if you want to improve on yourself. And it's a generally great place to be if you want something to improve upon. So be a part of ThinkNEXT Technologies to build a beautiful future.